And finally, the cool down. We start with some hips. Just relax and move. And stop. Exhale. Very good. The other side. Hip. And stop. Exhale. And now, go down and stretch. Both legs straight. Now extend your arm and watch to the hand. And rotate your torso. Very good. Cross in your lower back and flex and pull from your toes. And now, cross and dorsal stretch. Very good. Come back. Choreography. Step and cross. Knee. And slide. The other side. Opposite arm. Now hips. Down and up. Balance. Very good. Again, opposite arm. Down and up. Very good. You got it. Hips. Make a circle and touch your torso. Very good. Now stretch to the other side. Go. Both legs extend. Rotate your torso, extend your arm. Cross your arm in your lower back and flex and pull from the toes. Now dorsal stretch. Very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back. Choreography. Stay. Knee. Step, cross. Step, cross. Very easy. Turn. Balance side to side and slide. One more time. Up and down. Very good. Okay, turn. Balance. And now stretch again. Go down to the actors. Move. Go down. Move side to side. Again. Very good. Dynamic stretch. And now your head, circle. And down. The other side, circle and hand. Stay there. From the top, go. Very good. Just dance and enjoy. Hip. Side to side. One more time, come on. This is Ritmix 59. Enjoy the mix. We are in the end. You did it. This is your last chance to dance. Very good. Knee. Side to side. And final pose. Just step and watch the side.